Hello everyone, and thank you for being here tonight. My name is Patrick Kane and I am one of the co-chairs of the Bowl for Big Shoulders with Lillian Webb. We are so excited to have a sellout crowd here tonight at 10 Pin to help us raise funds for our scholarships. Just 12 years ago there was a small group trying to spread the word about Big Shoulders and get involved in the schools. Now we have grown to more than 230 members. Tonight is all about our scholars and raising funds, and we would just like to thank the group of people who made this evening possible.
I'm Lillian Webb, and I'm one of the chairs of tonight's event. The committee had a great time putting the event together. We were able to do it because of all of you and the tremendous generosity of tonight's sponsors. Their support and yours has us coming in to tonight raising over $19,000 before the night began. We would love to hit over $20,000. So have fun bowling, buy raffle tickets for amazing prizes, and meet some fellow Big Shoulders Fund supporters.
Good evening, everybody, and welcome to the 11th Annual Auxiliary Board Bowl for Big Shoulders Fun event. Amazing to think 11 years that this event has generated so much good to help the students that we all serve. I thank the Auxiliary Board in a special way for making this possible and for all they've done to support our mission. This night wouldn't be possible without some great sponsors. First of all, Lindsay and Michael Spencer, who donated this entire space, all the lanes at 10 Pin Bowling. I also want to thank GATX, one of our great corporate partners, for helping to underwrite this event, and also a member of our executive committee, Steve King, and his firm, Prairie Capital, for helping to make today possible. But ultimately, I thank all of you for believing in the dreams of the 20,000 children we serve, year in and year out, with your help. God bless all of you. Enjoy the night, and Bowl for Big Shoulders Fun.
Thank you, Big Shoulders!